Okay folks, this is another video regarding the issue I'm having trying to carve a radius along a path which itself has a radiuses along its length. Now I just tried something now, yeah, and this might help some of you understand what my issue is. Basically, this curve that I'm trying to point to at the moment was part of the original model, okay? Now I copied and moved that curved radius out to here, okay? What I did then is I rotated that radius 90 degrees, so it was on this plane, so it was lying flat, and positioned it here. Now I don't know if you'll see it from here, perhaps not. I'll just rotate inside the model, okay? Right, here we go. There we go. Now it's not very easily seen, but the radius can be seen partially there, yeah? And that wasn't present in the previous model, okay? And all I did was inside the model I drew a line out like this and a line out to this to form a face, right? So this area here became a face. Once that had become a face, I was then able to select that face and extrude it along the path as previously indicated in my last video. Now as you can see, I've now got a curved surface, right, along that edge, which is fantastic. However, even here on, well, I say however, even here on the larger radius, it seems to have worked reasonably well, although there is some slight shading issues in areas, right? I don't know why that's happened. Possibly there was some sort of issue with the geometry before extruding the face along the path. But once I hit any area with complex geometry where there would be lots of calculations, it starts to break down. And this is the problem with SketchUp. It's a great tool, it's a great piece of software, it's easy to use, but it's got lots and lots of issues where you're trying to render fine details or carry out relatively complex operations. However, it's free, okay? So I can't complain too much. Now that might be an issue there. Yeah, that could have been maybe a reason. Right. It might be when I was creating this radius, was it that radius? Or was it this radius? It was that radius there, yeah. That radius was quite difficult to achieve correctly, because obviously a circle is just a series of lines, yeah, and between each line is an endpoint. Now I couldn't get the endpoint of the circle to match an endpoint on this straight edge, okay? I needed a specific diameter on the small circle which would both intersect with this straight edge and also intersect with this diameter of this larger circle, and I was unable to do that perfectly, and this might be the reason why I'm experiencing this issue. I got it down to as near as possible. I was messing around with sizes like where was it, 26th 256ths of an inch. Okay, so that's way below what SketchUp is comfortable with. I think SketchUp by default can go to a minimum of 1/64th of an inch, so I'm 4 times smaller than its its minimum resolution. Maybe I've got the wrong template loaded or something like that, but so yeah, just to give you an indication, the size of this model, it's tiny. Yeah, as you can where is it? Okay, I've lost the axis. I'm not sure how to get the man back, but it's just, this is about the size of a guy's big toe. You know, it's little. This is about 1.5 inches long. Yeah, maybe 2 inches in total. Right. Okay. So back to the drawing board. I might be able to recreate. No, I won't be able to. Will I? No. I wonder what the geometry on that curve looks like. Right. Okay, folks. I'll leave it at that for now. And if you can help, give me a shout. Thanks for watching.